Taking a little POV walk down to Logan Circle. Hopefully this is all good. Let's see, got the camera here. Going down, what am I on? L? I'm on L, going over to 12th, I think. I'm gonna go up to Logan Circle. Gotta be real careful. It's real pretty though. Sorry if I'm sniffy. Whoa. Sure, why not? Whoa. Getting dicey already. Oh boy. Oh, it's icy. Oh boy. Damn. Pure ice. Oh boy. Basically better to walk in the road. Okay, stop. Dang. Just walk in the middle of the road, I think. So yeah, there was like a record winter storm in the Mid-Atlantic yesterday as we were driving into DC. It was amazingly beautiful. I was heartbroken that I couldn't take 1,000 photos, but it was not fun to drive through. But here we are. And so I'm gonna try to get some photos of, snowy stuff in the city, which I don't do much, right? Not often in an urban environment when it's snowy. Pretty much have to walk in the road though. It's sidewalks are crazy. Let's see. Maybe I can walk over here. Woo. Not too bad. Can't get lost though. Oh, pretty. Oh man. Hands are freezing already. This is the first big test with the POV strap setup. God, it's just icy. Oh man, it's just nasty. I don't know how long I'll make it out. Cars are sliding. So glad not to be driving today. So the other big point is to get out during the morning sunrise light. So hopefully we'll get some good light. I mean, I don't think we're gonna get a sunrise in the city. Hopefully I'll get, again, I don't get the chance to do quote unquote urban photography. So maybe this will be a cool, test those skills. I mean, everything looks pretty nice in the snow. That's the theory. Okay, this sidewalk is super, oh my God. It is just really icy. The only pro tip I have on ice and snow is basically just walk in the snow. I mean, I've lived in the mountains with snow for a long time. I don't have a lot of pro tips, but that is one of them. Just walk in this stuff, because at least you know what you're getting. I think the other thing today is like literally have to walk in the streets. This is pretty. Okay, let's see if this can. Only problem is that my hand is freezing. Oof, okay. If I fall, it'll make for a good video. Man, I think you literally have to walk down the middle of the street. Oh boy. Now even the street's not that great. Oh, I think we got. Ooh, that's pretty. I think the region. I don't know how much snow the region got. I think 6, something like that. 6 to 8 inches, maybe. I don't know. Let's go real wide. It's actually a pretty cool time just to walk the empty streets. I think the color's gonna be sick. Yeah, so this is not one of those POVs where we're doing a lot of walking, because we can't. Oh, my hands are just freezing. Where am I? Let's go this way. Yeah, wow, it is. Don't know how much tourism can be done today in DC. I mean, I guess a fair amount, but gonna have to be careful. It's kind of like you don't even want to get a cab either, because, sorry, I think I'm talking too close to the mic sometimes, but it's one of those cases where you don't even want to get a cab, because cabs you're not gonna be able to drive. Let's see. Don't remember if I was down this street already. It's gonna be tricky today. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think I need to pay a little more attention to these little moments on this walk this morning. I think that's gonna be the key. Ooh. Oh, there's a nice. I don't know if you can see, but I like this coffee cup in the background here with the CDC guidance poster. Ooh. I know it's tough. It's gonna be tough. It's just sidewalks are horrible. So, it's kind of restricting my movement, of course. Yeah, because it's still like, it's in the 20s, I think. I'm not even sure if it's going to get above 30 today in DC, so it's just going to be a little rough for, this stuff's not melting anytime soon. And I've learned, and I used to live here, and I remember, but I've learned, or been reminded, that there's not really a culture of snow removal on the sidewalks and such, so yeah, it might be here a while until it naturally. Ew, there's some yellow snow. It might be here until it naturally melts. So that's what we're looking at. I think the one thing to do would go down another side street that I can walk in the middle of the road. I think that might be a good strategy. See, this looks pretty. A lot of lights. And I think the fire engine stopped at my hotel. Let's see. It's always comforting. Maybe not. Maybe so. Man, it's hard. Hard to walk. Ooh, man, it's pretty. I think it's pretty though. Hopefully it's pretty on the POV camera here. Which is like a DJI Pocket 2, which I have strapped to my chest. Actually, let me get a video shot. Let me get a picture. I think I can get it. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. We'll see. I think it worked. It's also a test of the gimbal. You know, the DJI Pocket 2 has a gimbal built in. And the way I have it on my chest, and I'm really sorry if I'm just talking in the mic, straight into the mic today, but the way I have this thing into my chest, like, you know, it has to stand up, so it looks kind of awkward, but it's kind of jiggly, so it's kind of a test of the gimbal as well, to see how smooth this footage is. Oh boy, what's going on with the fire truck? Let's see, are you here? Are you for me? My hotel? I'll make that look artsy later. Okay, I'm gonna try one more side street here. Moral of the story, that is gonna be a pretty messy day. These big streets like this are I don't know what road this is, but 9th. These are well clear because they've melted, but there's not too many streets that you can say that about. And the issue is that, you know, nobody can make it to work, so a lot of restaurants and cafes and stores, they're all closed, right? Because, I mean, I understand people can't make it. Can't even make it into work. It's just too treacherous. Yeah. Well, I guess the metro is running, but, you know, depends on where you live. Let's see. Sidewalk's a little better here. I spoke too soon. Woo. I'm just gonna do a big circle, I guess. Oh man, just almost slipped on some ice. Maybe I'll go back. Yeah. Man, it's just crazy. Well, I think the light's been okay. You know, I tried to get the morning light. I think it's been okay. I'll try for the golden hour. Maybe the sidewalks and the evening golden hour. Maybe the sidewalks and the roads will be a little better. Dicey though, dicey. Oh man. I'm gonna use that fire truck's lights for some stuff here. Maybe. It's hard to know where to go today. Maybe one block down. Here comes another fire truck. Hello. Unfortunately, I think it's probably a medical emergency. Yeah. I mean, sadly. I don't think it's a fire. Damn, yes. No matter where you are in the country or the city, I really like standing in the middle of the road and taking a photo. It's something about it. Maybe it feels, you know, a little like prohibited, naughty. Let's see. Pretty boring window, but with the fire truck, maybe. I don't know if I'm in the photo. Maybe do something there. It's all about experimentation, learning. And again, sorry if I'm just shouting into the microphone. Oh, sure, why not? Okay, not too much more. It's not super cold, although my hand is numb. It's just these sidewalks. I don't know, man, there's gonna be some broken wrists today. It's like, you know, if you're not used to this, and you know, you can't really see it a lot. Oh, you know how it is. But anyway, yeah, it's gonna be some injuries, I think. But maybe I can get one more or a couple more photos down here. I've always liked, I mean, every building in DC looks cool to me. When I lived here, I just walked around, looked at stuff. It's all varied and different, and I usually like it. Really curious to see how the POV video has done today. That's a nice building. What the heck? These streets look pretty good. Pretty clear. Ooh. Might be good. I feel like I gotta go get some pictures in that park. Okay, here we go. Doing a fair amount of jaywalking today. Oh boy. Kind of can't resist. Might even get the foreground in the picture first. Not bad. Can't really tell what it is. All right, I'm just gonna circle this park and then back home to the lovely hotel. And it's freezing. I don't think I've been too sniffly in this this video. Ooh, there's actually red berries on this thing. These red berries gonna come out. Nice. Hope that comes out. It's kind of hard to tell what will be cool, because in a way everything might be cool because of snow. Dang. Okay, here's another stand in the street shot, I think. Kind of love those. So cold. It's been so cold. So cold. Sure. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it up there, y'all. Thanks for watching.